I thought I made it clear when I said we were done. Don't waste my time. What do you want? God, that is not what I'm thinking. Yes. Oh my God. Sarah. Yes, Sarah. Oh God, you just proposed. Yes, I'm getting married.
Hey, school Petanya. Wait, who did you just call?
Sarah. No, she's gonna be my maid of honor. My cute bridesmaid.
Shira, your friend.
Yeah.
Wait, bring the ring.
What?
Bring it, don't worry.
What?
Remember you told me back then that it is over between me and you.
What?
Shira is the owner of this ring.
But Sarah is my friend.
I came to Riaz and want to propose to your friend Shira.
I didn't mean it that way.
I like you to mean it too.
You're a devil.
I like it.
Good morning.
Good morning. But as you can see, I'm sitting down here.
And so I should not sweep. Later you say I'm a dirty woman.
No wahala. Sit in my body. Enjoy yourself.
Pastor.
My daughter.
Good morning.
Bless you, my daughter.
Hey, school Petanya.
How you going?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, where's your husband? Papa Ojo. Papa Ojo.
Don't worry, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Exactly.
You people were not in the last fellowship, so I came to check up on you.
Ask her.
Yes, we went for family meeting.
Oh, you went to family meeting? I hope everything is fine.
Yeah, fine though.
Hello. Everything was supposed to be okay. For her, everything is okay. For me, everything is not okay. The way she greeted you just now, hope it was fine.
Definitely.
Okay. My wife here, she will never greet me like that. She will always call me Papa this, Papa that, Papa Ojo, Mama Iguana, the other one. Sweet names will never allow her to call me.
My daughter, is that true?
It's true, Daddy.
That is very wrong. Tactically, man is the head of the family. That is what the Bible says.
Okay.
If you kneel down to greet me, lie down to greet your husband.
Okay.
That is the way things ought to be done.
Okay.
Call him sweet name.
Okay.
My daughter, please change.
Okay, Daddy.
Papa Ojo, she will change from now on.
Chameleon.
My daughter, please change.
I will.
Thank you. Please, those one you greeted me for, retweet them to me.
My husband, honey. Sugar pie.
Okay.
Good morning.
Very good.
Papa Ojo.
Now I'm enjoying the dividend of marriage, to you understand.